Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about context filter in Tableau. So context filter is used when you want the second filter to process the only records returned by first filter. So let's go to Tableau and I will show you with a simple example. So first I will drag subcategory in column shelf and cells in row shelf. Now for the proper view I am going to make it in a descending order. So click on this drop down and I am going to filter this subcategory by top 5 cells. So click on by field and top 5 by sum of cells. Then click on OK. So now this view is the top 5 subcategory cells, and if I add this category in filters and I will select all categories, then OK. So click on this drop down of category filter and click on show filter. So now if I select only furniture, so it is returning only two subcategories, chairs and tables. This is because Tableau is filtering top 5 subcategories from all categories: furniture, office supplies and technology. So from that it is filtering the selected category, chairs and table. So chairs and tables are already in this top 5 subcategories by sales, chairs and tables. So these are belongs to furniture, so it is filtering only these two subcategories, chairs and tables. So if I want to show top 5 from a selected category like furniture or office supplies or technology, so I will drag this category in filter shelf and I will select all, then click OK, and I will make this category as a context filter. So click on add to context. So click on this drop down and click on show filter. So now category is a context filter and this subcategory is a dependent filter, because this filter is processing only records which are returned by this category. So if I select furniture, so it is giving top 5 subcategories from furniture. There are only 4 subcategories from furniture, so it is returning only 4 subcategories. So if I select both furniture and office supplies, so from these both categories, these are the top 5 subcategories from furniture and office supplies. If I select all, so phones, chairs, storage, tables and binders are top 5 subcategories from all categories. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.